Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for a PNC Cash Rewards Card, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the official PNC Bank website. Locate the credit cards section in the main menu. Click on Cash Rewards Card to access detailed information about the card. Review the terms and benefits of the PNC Cash Rewards Card carefully. When ready, click on the Apply Now button. You will be redirected to the application form. Start by filling in your personal information, including your name, address, and date of birth. Next, provide your social security number. Enter your annual income and employment details. Choose your preferred contact method. If you have a PNC account, you can opt to link it by providing your account number. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. If you agree to the terms and conditions, confirm your agreement. Click on the Submit button to send your application. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message. PNC will review your application and notify you of their decision. If approved, you will receive your card in the mail within a few days. Upon receiving your card, activate it by following the instructions provided. Now you are ready to start enjoying the benefits of your PNC Cash Rewards Card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.